up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Picky Vegan. But like I promised, I'm back with an unboxing video. So I got a few packages here with me today. I'm gonna start with this one. Like I've been saying, I've been shopping like crazy during quarantine, been spoiling myself. I got this package from Depop. Let's open it. So I ordered this FUBU jacket. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Finally, I've been eyeing this jacket for like forever. I've been wanting it forever. This is such like a good find. So in the back it's just like beige and the sleeves are orange. Got the FUBU embroidery badge right here. It's a double XL. I'm not even sure if I knew that. I thought it was only an XL. Whichever way, the big FUBU embroidery in the front. You can tell that it's vintage just by like, you know, the condition that it is in, but I didn't pay that much for it. I think I paid like 45 or 50 with shipping and everything. So that's really a good price and a good find. Next up, I have this box right here. I already know what's in there. I got myself a backdrop because yeah, I need one so badly. I've been wanting one. Well, like not the backdrop, but like the stand. I don't know if I should be opening it like that because I'm assuming that it's going to be in pieces. But yeah, it's that. So you can see that there's a clip right here that keeps the, ow! I got a cut right there and like it's still sensitive, so every time I hit it, it stings. So it comes in a bag like this so I can carry it around with me. I'm excited to be using this. I'm probably gonna use it outside, inside, everywhere. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it because I feel that the pieces need to be assembled, obviously, so I'm not going to deal with that right now. I just wanted to show you guys that. Next up is, oh, and I got that from Amazon. I'm not sure how much I paid for it, maybe along like $50. I could let you guys know. I'll leave the price down here. And so you guys, if you guys are interested, that you guys can go buy it because it was really affordable and that's why I ordered it. Next up, I already know what this is. So I don't usually do this, but yeah, I decided to treat myself and get myself some new. So I got this off of Exclusivity, so I guess you guys already know that it's sneakers. Don't read this. Ooh, the box so cute. I got myself some sneakers. I haven't got myself sneakers like in a year or so. So, well, the last time was like on my birthday, so that was like in September. So this is what the box looks like. And then inside, oh my god, hold on. So I got a little thank you card. Cool. And I got some wipes. Okay. You guys ready? Oh my god, they are so cute. They are so cute. If you guys know me, I used to buy Jordans like all the time, like back then. And these are actually the Mids Pine Green. I really like this design because of like the shiny check and the little hint of red here and here. I was like, okay, I could like create some cute looks with it. So I am obsessed. It kind of looks small for my feet though, like, bruh. Okay, so yeah, this is my sneakers. I can't wait to pull these out, yo. Yeah, it's kind of hard finding sneakers second hand and like no good sneakers second hand, so I try not to buy too much fast fashion stuff, but I mean, I'm human too. And next up, okay, this is like a deal that I found online. The way that this person packed it up is like so sketchy. She just like put it in like a shoebox. And yeah, but whatever works. Okay, so you guys know that I love velour. You know, I'm wearing a velour track jacket right now by BCBG. This was like one of the last items that I thrifted before the whole quarantining. So I got this. So a BCBG again in green. I've been trying to find a matching bottom to my other BCBG like pants. I don't know if you guys watched the video because I definitely showed it to you guys because I found it while I was thrifting one day at like Value Village. But yeah, I don't think it's the same green sadly, but I tried again and failed because I tried to order another one from Depop and it wasn't the same color. It seems like it's a hard match to find, but I mean, this one has the BCBG on the titties and Matter Pants has it on the booty. This is the pants that go with it. There's nothing on the booty, but you can see the BCBG rhinestones on the side over here. Can't wait to wear it. Super cute. Like at first I was just gonna order this one and then the lady was like, well, I have like 2 other ones like that. And I was like, why did you tell me? Now I have to like spend my money. This is the other one, so it's like the same thing, BCBG on the titty, rhinestone in red. It's a nice red. Like she told me it was more like of a wine red. It looks like it's dirty here. Anyways, I could wash it. Yeah, but it's kind of like a cherry red. Surprisingly, I really like it. Here's the pants. So yeah, the pants, like it's an identical twin to the other one because basically it has the BCBG rhinestones on the side of the pants right here too. And I've been obsessed like with matching sets. It's just easy to style. I could actually wear these. Like, do you guys see me wearing these with this and this? It's gonna look cute, you know? Y'all ain't ready. Last but not, well, not last for the box, I mean. It's another BCBG on the titty with rhinestones. And it's black velour. Like this one, but it's just different. This one is less detailed and I could like wear this jacket with this pants, and I've been looking for like black velour pants. And this one is different because it has the BCBG on the leg, which I like because it's different from the other one. So I don't look like I just have like the same clothes in different colors, even though if that's like me as a personality. Once I like something, I have it like in all the colors. And like I guess once I'm tired of them, I could just like list them on my Depop anyways to sell. So, but I don't think I'm gonna get rid of them. I don't know yet. So stay tuned, or if I find something else that may replace it, then I mean, someone else can get it. So my next package, you guys are like, what's in this big box? It's a really, really big box. And yeah, I've put this box aside for a long time. I think I had it like in my house for 2 weeks or more. I've been wanting to open it, but I was like, yo, I want to like show you guys what's in this box. So I'm waiting for like my other orders to arrive before I do like a huge unboxing. I wanted to like unbox a lot of things at once. You can see it says that on the box that it's fragile. So I gotta be careful. I think they put a box in a box, bro. I feel like I'm opening a whole Christmas gift. It's coming. I'm gonna cry. So, okay, I got this off of eBay. I was eyeing it for a while. Okay, so it's basically a dead stock Bratz mini fridge. And now you guys are probably like, why did she buy this? She's so rare. Why would you just buy a random fridge, a mini fridge? And I don't know, like I was like, oh, well, I actually know it's because I want to collect Bratz items. Yeah, I want to have a room later on with a lot of Bratz decorations and like maybe Bratz dolls. But my main focus is on buying Bratz items, like room stuff, like room decor, or like, you know, clothing and stuff like that. Stuff that I can actually, you know, use every day. So when I stumbled upon this fridge, I was like, it's new. I need to get it. It was a pretty penny, but I mean, it's dead stock. So, and the person gave me a good deal. So you can tell like it's new in the box. Like I don't know how much they paid for it back in the days, but I'm assuming a lot. But yeah, here it is, my Bratz Electric Funk Chill Out fridge. So this is what it looks like in the front. You have the little knob here to open the fridge. The other way, you want to break it. Bro, it's all the way dead stock. It's like they never used it. The little shelf if I want to put it in there. It says that I can fit up to 6 cans of like canned drinks in the fridge compartment. So I was like, it would be cool to have this in my room, you know, just as like a little decoration. And like I know that some people put their makeup, like their cosmetic products like in the fridge, like not makeup, I mean like skincare products in mini fridges. And I was like, oh, maybe I could just put drinks in there, you know, and just have it there in my room, and it would be cool. And I'm glad that I got this because I'm a Bratz girl in the real life, you know. And who knows, like maybe it's gonna be worth a lot of money later on in life, and I could like if I want to resell it. But I don't think I'm gonna resell it because I love Bratz too much. Like I've been loving Bratz for over like a decade, so I don't think that we're ever gonna part ways because I'm gonna be the Bratz girl for life. So I'm gonna put you up here with the Bratz blanket in the back. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys extra stuff that I bought, like whether if it was like off of people during quarantine. I actually found as well this nice pair of Demonia boots. Girl, like I haven't worn these out yet. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them out, but I was like they'll be cool to have to model Depop pics. And yeah, like I've been wanting Demonia boots for a while now, and when I saw it I was like, okay, it's a good price, and I negotiated for a better price, and he was like, yeah, sure. Like it was this guy that sold it to me. Yeah, he told me that he wore it like a few times or like only once, I think. Like, okay, so I'm gonna buy this off of you. This is really cute. I don't know how tall they are again, but they're really tall, and I'm already tall too, so a lot of looks to look forward to with those boots for sure. Another thing that I found, obviously Bratz related, so I got Sasha Bratz babies in the box. She's super cute, and I'm gonna keep her in the box even if I want to take her out. I'm hoping that I might find one that's out of the box that I could like play with and, you know, take pictures with and stuff like that. I'm the type of person that I would bring the doll outside with me, so if I find her out the box, then I'm gonna like take her everywhere with me like she's my actual baby. So I'm happy about that. And other things that I found, this little Bratz case that I found online as well for cheap. I think I only paid like $15, and for Sasha I paid $30, I forgot to say, and my fridge was like $120. Don't judge, but it's dirty. The person that sold it to me dirty, and I tried to clean it up a little. It's been in my room as like a decoration more than anything, so when I'm ready I'm gonna get into it and I'm gonna clean it out properly. Another item that I also found, how much did I pay for it? Oh, I think I paid $15 for both of them. I'm not sure. I think it was with the same person. Yeah, it's like kind of like a jewelry box. I can remove this and I can remove this and put stuff here, and everything goes back together. I didn't put anything in it yet because I don't know exactly what I want to put in there yet. I need a table for my room, so once I get a table for my room, I'm gonna show you guys my room. I'm gonna do a room tour for you guys. And right here, what I love about it is that I can write my name here. It belongs to me. Forgot to add that you guys should follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see my looks. And I also have a Depop, so it would be cool if you could follow me on my Depop. Okay, my Depop is laveganbaddie, and yeah, that's all I wanted to say basically. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about what I bought. Was I going crazy or was it all worth it? If you really like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and you share this video and that you hit the like button. And yeah, subscribe to see other videos like these. I love you guys so much.